Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install Google Tag Manager on your website on Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, search for Google Tag Manager on Google, and then click on the first result. As you see, this is the official tagmanager.google.com. Now let's click on create account. Give your account a name, for example, my business called NYC Pizza. Let's call it NYC Pizza. Select your business country. For the container setup, fill in your website name. In my case, if you don't remember your website name, click on this down arrow, then click on publish settings, and this is your Google site link. Paste it here. It should not start. Let's delete HTTP. Fill in your website name like this, or if you use a .com domain, your .com domain will be go to settings from here, then go to custom domains, and this is your .com domain. For this video, I will go with the default Google site link. Here in the target platform, make sure to select web and click on create. Accept these conditions and click on yes. Not found. Save in, load in. As you see, now this is the important step. Here, the Google Tag Manager asks you to paste this code as high in the head section of the page as possible. Let's copy this first code like this from this icon. Go back to Google Sites. Here, click on Embed from this Insert page or tab. Make sure to switch to Embed code, paste the copied code like this, and hit Next. Click on Insert. And now this code is added here. Make sure to resize it to be a little bit smaller and place it here. If you can also place it, if you already have a section like this, you can insert it on the side to not take much space. Okay, now for the second code, paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. Click on yes, let's copy it. This time you can paste it. Click on insert and you can paste it here. Make sure to resize it as small as this and hit publish to save those changes. Now, to make sure that the Google Tag Manager is well added or installed successfully on your website, copy your site link and paste it here like this. Delete the HTTP. Must be a valid starting with it was started, but the problem here is that there is an added space. If you see closely, this is it. Click on test. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site Basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. there is an added space. If you see closely, this is it. Click on test. And as you see, when you see this green check mark, this means that your Google Tag Manager is well installed on your website. Now you can close this window and just like this. And this is how to add Google Tag Manager to your website on Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.